Well, at the moment the area is still cordoned off, Stephen. Police say this is still very early stages of their investigation into the attack, which happened at around 11 o'clock last night. West Midlands Police were notified that 3 people had been stabbed inside the mosque. They sent officers to respond, and as an arrest was being made, one of those officers was himself stabbed. Now, all 4 of these victims are said to be in a stable condition in hospital. Their injuries are described by police as, at this stage, not thought to be life-threatening. They say that their investigations will continue. At the moment, they say they're not ruling anything out. There's a potential, of course, that this could be a racially motivated incident, although from what I'm hearing on the ground here, that doesn't appear to be the case. We're hearing rumours on the ground that the man involved was a 32-year-old Somali Muslim who was himself reading in the mosque last night when an argument developed and escalated into these appalling levels of violence. One of the residents who was first on the scene here was Irfan Fali. He told me this just a few minutes ago.
First thing I saw by the time I come out was the police managed to apprehend the suspect, and they put him in the back of the van. They took him away, and a lot of people were angry at the time, like just bystanders. And some people even caused a fuss, and people from the mosque, they turned around and start talking to the people, saying that calm down, they've caught the guy, and just let them take him away now.